Real talk. If you are watching this video, you've been probably trying to level up in calisthenics skills or weighted calisthenics, maybe even trying to learn your first ever muscle up. You probably already did like 200 workouts. Like think about it. If you've been working out for a year, 4 times a week, you've already done 200 training sessions. Like just try to count to 200 right now. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You are like 5% there to counting all of the training sessions that you did. You should feel proud of yourself, of the work that you've been putting in. But then you go on Instagram and see this. Or this. Or maybe even this. Or maybe even worse, you got your friend into training with you and he pulls out this shit on his 3rd training session. My friend learned the muscle up in a week, whilst it took me to learn the muscle up 2 or maybe even 2.5 years of consistent training. And people on the internet are gonna tell me that you have superhuman genetics. You shouldn't give advice to people because it's just the genetics, bro. It's not the almost 7 years of training that you did and all of the lifestyle optimization, the testosterone optimization, the science-based training. No, it's none of that. It's just the genetics, bro. And that exact same friend that I've been talking about learned a 15 kilogram slow muscle up, like a really clean one, like straight legs, like this, 4 months later. And if you are curious where he's right now, after that muscle up, he just quit training and he started drinking and smoking. So yeah. If this is relatable, that you can't make progress as fast as other people, you should be grateful. Maybe you expect it for me to say like, oh, I've been through the exact same stuff, but check the link in bio, whatever. You should be grateful that your progress is fucking slow. If you are training fucking hard and not seeing the results that you want or the results that are propagated on Instagram, you should be grateful. Obviously, you should be trying to get more educated about stuff like periodizing your training, muscle gain, strength gain, all these different things I teach on my YouTube channel, obviously. But you should be grateful that you are not seeing these results because that is building grit. What is grit? Grit is what allows you to keep showing up and keep putting in the work whilst not seeing results. Grit is training hard and not seeing results, but still continuing to train hard. That is grit. Grit is something that you need in your personal life, in your educational life, in your work life, in, let's say, your career that you are going to have. You need to have grit because you are not going to be a natural talent in everything. And the thing is that if you have grit, if you manage to put in the work, even though you are not seeing the results, the guys that were putting in the work and seeing extreme results start getting complacent. As the friend that I said, he lost motivation for training after 4 months of training, whilst he had extremely high level results. You might think like, oh, if I start training hard and I get amazing results, I'm going to be more motivated to train. No, you are not, because you never experienced grit. Grit is how I managed to scale up my YouTube channel to over 12,000 subscribers and my paid school community to 55 members at this time that I'm recording. I started recording YouTube videos at 14 years old. At 14 years old, I turned 17 like 2 weeks ago. That is 3 years. I've been trying to make it for 3 years. Do you know when did I get popular? When did I get my first video over 1,000 views? It was 4 months ago. Maybe 6 months ago. 6 months ago was the first video that actually like took off. After that video, it was a video after video after video, and after that, it went up. I built this insane physique, like this insane physique. I don't have a pump or a good lighting right now, but with grit. I built an insane amount of strength in my life. A strength some people never feel in their lifetime. At 16 years old, I benched 160 kilograms. Most people don't bench that in their peak 20s when they're like 23 or 4 years old and they are in the pinnacle of health and in their pinnacle of their strength. Their body can recover extremely fast. They can build extremely high amounts of muscle. They have super high testosterone, everything. They never bench as much as me. And the guys that bench more than me, that are stronger than me, that gain muscle extremely fast, that gain followers extremely fast, they get burnt out. You might think that if you put in the work and you don't see results, you will get burned out. The exact opposite. If you put in a little bit of work and you get extreme results, you get burned out. There is this kid, I don't know how he's called on YouTube. His second video got 114,000 views. Second video. Do you know how much views my second video on YouTube got? 3 views. And that was just me refreshing the fucking page, probably. 3 views. He got 114,000 in his second video. That was around a year ago. He also got a video with 500,000 views and stuff like that. All of this different crazy shit. He also had a paid program. Last time I checked, he haven't uploaded a video for a month. And he haven't uploaded an educational YouTube video for a half a year or a year. This kid who built an insane physique at 14 years old, he probably was making $10,000 a month from YouTube and coaching. He got burned out. And now he just makes lifestyle vlogs or some shit. So some people will just be more talented, but you just need to suck it up and work harder. There will be people that go drinking out on the weekends, that eat shit food, that vape, and have a better physique than you. But please don't be like, oh, he vapes and he has a really good physique. Or that guy watches porn and he has a girlfriend. Be like, no. Have the mindset of, I need every advantage that I can get. You need every advantage you can get. And the greats could have been greater is another good quote. If there is a millionaire that drinks on the weekends, he could have been a billionaire. The greats could have been greater. He is the jacked guy in the gym that you see partying on the weekends isn't strong because of partying. He is strong despite it. Ian Barsiegel, the guy with the two-set method, he is not strong because of the two-set method. He is strong despite it. He has amazing Russian fucking genetics. So the lesson is, you should be grateful that your progress isn't so extremely fast as other people's. Obviously, keep leveling up. Obviously, keep getting more and more educated about strength or hypertrophy training, calisthenics training, skill training, whatever. Also optimizing your diet, lifestyle, testosterone, so you gain more muscle, more strength, you recover faster, all of these different things. And at the end of the day, having a hard upbringing gives you stories to tell, and it also builds character. So if you're like me and you push to 2, 3, or maybe even 4 years of barely seeing any results, you have such a big advantage in life. Because as me with my YouTube channel, you are going to be able to record videos for 3 years without seeing no progress, whilst other people quit after recording their third video. Or if there is a career or a business model that you want to get into, you are going to be the guy that can outperform everyone, that can out-grit everyone, who can just continue making progress and continue leveling up and putting in the work without seeing any results. So if you want to learn how to train smarter, harder, and optimize your lifestyle, you should check out the link in the description, which is my own educational platform called Calisthenics School. In there you get access to all of the courses that I made, courses about designing your own workout program, testosterone, street lifting, calisthenics skills, diet guides, CNS adaptation, periodization, everything. And also you get one-on-one coaching from me whilst doing that. So check that out if you want to make faster progress and invest into your education. But if you want to watch more free stuff, definitely check out this video, which is about how I outperform 99% of calisthenics athletes. It is probably the best video for gaining strength. If you want to build an aesthetic body, you should check out this video. And if you want to increase your recovery, if you want to recover literally like a superhuman, so you can train harder and outperform everybody else, check out this recovery guide. Bye. Take care, bro. You got this. I'm rooting for you.